A second wave of mysterious elephant deaths has hit the Okavango Delta. Government confirmed that at least 39 jumbos in the area have succumbed to an unknown illness since the start of the year.
Okavango Delta is in news.
It is one of the very few major interior delta systems that do not flow into a sea or ocean. This delta comprises permanent marshlands and seasonally flooded plains. The delta covers part of Kalahari Desert and owes its existence to the Okavango River. The area was once part of Lake Magadigali, an ancient lake that had mostly dried up by the early Holocene. All of the big five game animals, the lion, leopard, African buffalo, African bush elephant, and rhinoceros are present.
About Botswana.
Botswana is a landlocked country in southern Africa. Its 70% territory is covered by Kalahari Desert. Botswana has the world's largest elephant population, estimated to be around 130,000 elephants. Botswana is Africa's oldest continuous democracy.
About elephants' death.
Toxins in water produced by cyanobacteria killed more than 300 elephants in Botswana this year, according to the recent findings. Hundreds of elephants died in Botswana earlier this year from ingesting toxins produced by cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria are microscopic organisms found naturally in all types of water. These single-celled organisms live in fresh, brackish, marine water and sometimes found in soil.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Major General Rajesh Sahai, and I am part and a consultant of UPSC Lounge. We are going to train you. We are going to train you to ensure and assure that you get through the IAS. How are we different from the rest of the people? See, I have a note in front of me. I have crushed this note. It's a 500 rupee note. I open this note and I make it absolutely straight. The wrinkles and the crinks in this note have been removed, right? The value of the note remains. You are the value, and we are going to dig deep into you. Absolutely dig deep. And what does the dig stand for? D is our training is going to be deliberate, inspired, and G, we will make you grow. It is going to be a life-changing experience. I spent 40 years in the army. I have learned the tricks of the trade. I am also a board member of the UPSC, and I have been an examiner of all the CSE papers. So I know what is required. Join us and you shall make it. That is my assurance. Jai Hind.